Hello, today I'm talking about things that people do that they think they're saving money, but they're actually not. They're actually, a lot of times, spending more money. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. Number 5 of things that people think that they're saving money when they actually aren't is coupons. I know there's a lot of people, and it's not as much as it used to be, but coupons used to be a really great thing. But now, coupons really don't save you a lot of money. They're a lot of hassle. You can get things store brand for sometimes cheaper than using the name brand with coupon. Make sure you actually need the item or will use the item. Like occasionally I'll get free coupons from my grocery store for free thing of peanut butter or something like that. Okay, I'll use those. But as a general rule, I use about 5 to 10 coupons a year because it's just not worth the hassle anymore. Number 4, eating out. This is a huge one, but we hear this excuse all the time. Oh, it's so much cheaper for me to eat out. I just get on the dollar menu. Yeah, whatever, guys. That is a bunch of baloney. You can make meals at home for $5 or less for the entire family. So even if you're single, you could make that same meal, freeze half of it, and still only pay $1 to $1.50 for a meal. There's no way you even go to a fast food restaurant anymore unless you're just getting maybe one hot dog or something at the convenience store. But it does not save money to eat out, even if you're single. We hear this excuse all the time. Number 3, buying new items. Now, we hear this excuse all the time also. Buy quality because quality will last. Okay, in some cases, that's true. I mean, like we try to stick with Toyota cars because they are built better and they are more expensive. But we only buy used cars. We try to buy cars that are 10 years or older, well maintained. But things like polo shirts for the guys, jeans, that kind of thing, I spend $3 at the thrift store to buy them. Why? Because if they've made it to the thrift store in good shape, they're going to be in good shape for a long time. And let me tell you, that $25 polo at LL Bean or wherever you're going to get it, you can get 6 other polos at the thrift store for the same price. Really do the math. You know, it's just not worth it. You can say buying a $1,000 watch is worth it because you're going to be buying quality and you'll never have to buy a watch again. But first of all, who wants to wear the same watch for their entire life, even if it does last? And secondly, you can buy a lot of watches for $1,000. So stop using the excuse that I'm going to buy quality because it will last. That just isn't true anymore. The majority of things that are quality aren't that quality anyway. But if you don't have the money, you don't have the money. If you're in debt, you don't need to be buying that stuff anyway. If you're completely debt-free and you're including your house and your retirement is totally funded, then go ahead and buy all the quality you want. That's totally fine. But until you are, it's just an excuse. New cars. This goes along with the quality thing. Everybody says, oh, I have to buy a new car because I can't afford to have my car breaking down. Okay, that is just an excuse. Nowadays, especially with Uber and Lyft and all that, there's no excuse for you to be buying a new car with payments when you cannot afford it, period. Used cars, yeah, they probably break down more than new cars, but let me tell you, I know a lot of people who have bought brand new cars, and I know those same people have had them in the shop time and time again, and that new car still kept breaking down. Even if it's under warranty, you still have the hassle of finding a ride, getting it there, and all of that. So buying a new car, once again, is just an excuse. If you are 100% debt-free and your retirement is totally funded, then go ahead and buy that new car. But until it is, that's just another excuse. Sorry, guys. Even if you drive it for 10 or 20 years, it's still just another excuse. Last but not least, do your math. I drove by Costco the other day and this is what I saw.
Be real on the window.
Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7 cars in that one. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, maybe not 50. It looks like there's 30 or 40 cars here. Oh my goodness. What do you think, dear? Do you think that's a great way to spend your day?
No.
Oh my goodness. This is absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. And there's not even a gas shortage. Ugh. Look there's a poor kid over there. Just waiting and waiting and waiting. My goodness. Wow. Just wow. Okay, share your words of wisdom, dear.
I was just saying, if you don't have anything to do and you just want to sit in the car and smooch your honey for 45 minutes while you're waiting, but that's completely ridiculous to go to all that effort to save $3. I mean, there are a lot of things you can do to save a lot more money than that in a lot less time. So why sit there? It's kind of like
foolish, is what it is.
Well, it's kind of like the American way to think you're saving when you're really not. And make your life a lot more stressful. So, yeah.
And what?
And to make your life a lot more stressful.
Yeah.
So, anyway.
I simply could not believe people were waiting 30 to 40 minutes in line to save $3 to $4 in gas. That is absolutely ridiculous. You have got to do the math on these things. There is no way that is worth anybody's time to sit and wait that long. If you have to sit and wait that long to save $3 or $4 in gas, it is not worth you even having a Costco membership because you can't even afford the Costco membership. So get your priorities straight, guys. Do your math. Are these things really saving you money? Make sure the things really are saving you money. Do things that will save money, like buy a rotisserie chicken. Take that rotisserie chicken, use it in some recipes in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, which is 60% off right now, guys, for our We Don't Want to Move It sale. But make some chicken and dumplings, some chicken and noodles, some green chili. Use those types of things to save money instead of telling yourself you're saving money when you actually aren't. All right? Please visit us at livingonadime.com for tips and recipes to help you save on your grocery bill today. We will see you guys next time.